Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating two files, index, HTML and styles, CSS, then link them with a link rel equals stylisheet href equals styles, CSS inside the head. Do this now so your browser can fetch styles separately from markup. Once linked, save both files and reload the page. Make sure to clear cache if changes don't appear. This separation lets you edit presentation without touching structure, speeding workflow and reducing merge conflicts when multiple people edit the project. You will now extract inline styles and shift them to styles. CSS. Find style equals attributes and copy only the declarations, then remove the inline attribute. Create meaningful classes or IDs and apply them in HTML so the CSS can target elements predictably. Once done, order your stylisheet with base rules, layout blocks, then component-specific selectors to keep it readable. This move improves maintainability and reduces repetition, and it makes visual changes globally persistent rather than per element. Finish by refactoring. Simplify selectors, consolidate duplicate rules, and run the page through browser dev tools to verify styles apply as intended. You should test responsive breakpoints and component states, making incremental edits and saving often. Once done, remove any unused CSS to keep the file small and performant. If something breaks, first confirm the link href path and that the stylisheet is loaded. Then check selector specificity and clear cache. That troubleshooting step fixes most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.